Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Well Squad. Today we'll be talking about Amazon and Google just because the market has given us such an amazing opportunity to buy these companies on the low. And what I mean by that is more psychological than anything because these stocks both did a 20 for 1 split, meaning their $2,000 stock price turns into $100. Well, now we are just looking at barely above 100. So right now for Amazon, you can see $113 a share, um, the lowest it's been in this past couple of weeks. You can see 101. And Google just split. It actually went into effect today, and you can see here 108 we're ending the day at. But let's go back, let's say a month, and it barely past 3 months, it has not touched under 100 yet. So Amazon and Google are both these giant, massive growing companies that are trading for around $100 a share. Now, for you, what you should do is try to buy as close to 100 as you can, because both of these stocks are down massively from their highs. We could see Google was once trading for, let's say, 150, when in reality it was trading for um, well, you got to think this is 20 for 1, so this is 2,000, and a $200 stock is 4,000, so that's right at $3,000. Amazon, on the other hand, was once trading for 190, 189, so that's trading for back then almost 4,000, 3,600, 3,800. Sorry. So 3,800 bucks now 190, and that $2,000 stock price now 113. So what are we waiting for? We waiting for to get Amazon and Google at the lowest price possible. What I would like to get is under 110 and start averaging down from there. Right now, Amazon's at 113, Google's at 108. Let's say Google has another bad day. That's when I'm starting to buy because I think Google at a $2,000 price back before the split, I think that was a very good deal. Amazon at below $2,000 price before the split, I think that was a very good deal. Now we get both of these companies and we can have $100 a share instead of putting, let's say you have $10,000, right? You don't want to put 20% of it in one company. Right now you could buy 5 shares and now you have only 5%, right? So it's a lot easier to invest for the average person into these companies now that they have split. Now, these companies are not the only ones that have split or are going to, so we have to be on the lookout for more. But I would say these two stocks carry a lot of opportunity, and I say that lightly because Amazon is trading at a nearly 50% discount from 188 to 100. Now, logarithmically, of course, this is nothing compared to the 2000 or 1999 crash. Of course, 277 to 133, that's a 50 split. 480 to 215, that's more than a 50% split. 100 to 70, that's not enough. 180, and now we're at 113. So we had a pretty big split compared to the rest of the history of Amazon. Now let's look at Google. Of course, excluding, this is going to be excluding 2008. We can see from 15 to 11, that's not nearly enough. From 76 to 50, that's down 33%. Right now we're looking at Google 150 down to 100. That's 33%. So we're looking at what we have been getting Google at discount for a long time. That's what we're looking at once again in this current day and age, with Google being around $100, right? If it was back to all-time highs, we're getting Google for 150. If Amazon was back to all-time highs, we're getting Amazon for 190. Right now we're getting both for around 100, 110. The lower you could get, the closer you could get to 100, I think the better off you'll be in the future. And I'd say a lot of people agree with me on that one. So it's kind of psychological because 2,000 is a lot less appealing than 100, but it's basically the same, right? It's just less dollars but more shares on the market, and that creates the same market cap for each company. But regardless, guys, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. I think Amazon and Google at $100 a share is a very great opportunity that you do not want to miss out on. I'd keep these two on your watch list, start averaging down from the low 110s. from under 110 and average down until you get under 100. That'd be the best case scenario. Hopefully we can get there. But if not, hopefully you start buying soon, because I don't see these companies staying at these prices much longer. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd be curious to what you have to think, as well as if you like this video or not. I hope to see you next video. That will be on Wednesday. Thank you.